Hello and welcome to Env
Hello, my name is Env Rd100 from Env and 4HS by EHS.com, and today we're going to present the all new Env Rd100. This is our new meter, most recommended EMF meter for people who are aware of the possible health risk of EMF and for people who already got hurt from EMF and are now sensitive. The meter is both for the professional or semi-professional user, people who are already aware of the subject and know how to measure, and also for the novice user, which just came across this issue now and wants to start measuring and still doesn't know how. It comes in this box. When you open the box, you get three items. Let me pull it out. Yes. The meter. First thing. A case for carrying around. And down here, let me reach in, a manual. And this manual it was written by me, and it includes all the information you need to know about how to operate the meter, how to read the info from the meter, a little bit of information about the radiation types, and about how to do measurement in the house or in your area. It's very detailed and shouldn't take long to read. The meter itself is very compact. This is the size compared to sunglasses. On the front of it, on the top, there are the 4 LEDs indication: green, yellow, red, and extra red. A detailed display for all the information, and mode button to switch between modes. On the side, there's the USB socket for the optional USB cable that allows you to connect the meter to a PC and to do measurements for long hours, both of RF and of low frequency and magnetic and electric fields. The cable is not included in this package. It's extra. You can buy it on my website. And there's an on-off switch here, which is very robust and reliable, will not cause you any problems. On the back, you can see the holes for the speaker and the battery compartment. Now, to open it, you push this notch down, and then with 2 fingers, detach the cover that usually fell off. Here you can put batteries, and the batteries are AA batteries, very cheap, very easy to get batteries. This is one of the biggest advantage of this meter. In order to close it, you take the cover with both 2 inches, you put it inside like this, and then you push until it goes click. Then at the end, you push the notch up, and it's closed. So this is our new meter. It is very compact, very easy to operate, both for the novice and for the professional or semi-professional, for people who are aware of the possible effect of EMF and for people who already got hurt. And it's very fast. It's very important to emphasize this. The most important feature for a RF meter is that it will be fast. This meter is measuring the RF radiation 60,000 times every second and display the peak value, and it's very fast. It allows it to catch a very short burst of RF, and this is the most important feature of an RF meter. Let's see how to operate it. Okay, very simple, only one button. Simple. Let's turn the meter on. The display shows the meter's version. Then I notice we are entering RF mode. Now the measurement has begun. On the upper left corner we can see the peak value of the RF in units of milliwatt per meter square. On the right corner we see the maximum value, average value, and the duty cycle value. Below we can see the time graph of the radiation. Right now I'm using a gate remote control in order to generate some RF radiation. You can see the RF burst emitted from the gate remote control on the lower part of the screen. When the mode button is pushed, we are moving into LFM, low frequency magnetic mode. On the left corner of the display, we can see the peak value measured in units of milligauss. On the right corner, we can see the frequency of the signal and also the max value. Below, we can see the time graph of the radiation. Pressing again on the mode button will move us to LFE mode, low frequency electric field mode. On the upper left corner, we can see the peak value measured in units of volt per meter. On the right side of the display, we can see the frequency of the signal and also the max value. Pressing on the mode button will bring us into RF modulation mode, in which we can see the radio frequency signal. RF sources usually have unique waveform, and in this mode you can see it over 500 millisecond or 100 millisecond. The waveform shape can help you guess what is the RF sourcing you are measuring right now. Pressing again on the mode button will bring you into joint mode, in which all the types of radiation are being measured at once and showed at once on the screen. RF, low frequency magnetic and low frequency electric. This is great for scanning the house or area for sources or doing the measurement very quickly. Pushing the mode button again will move us back into RF mode. So that's it. This is the Env Rd100 and it's a new meter. It's going to be our most recommended meter for 2025 and probably on and on. Was developed by Env Rd100.com and with close cooperation with me, Amir Bosen from Env Rd100.com. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Minimize the use of smartphones and wireless devices before the use will minimize you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.